Hello everyone, Muzammil is here. Welcome to our beginner's guide to 3D modeling. In this video, we will be introducing you to the basics of creating 3D models using various software programs. Whether you are new to 3D modeling or just looking to brush up on your skills, this video is for you. First, let's talk about what 3D modeling is. Simply put, it's the process of creating a digital presentation of an object or a scene in three dimensions x, y, and z. This can be anything from a simply shape to a complex architectural structure. There are many different software programs that you can use for 3D modeling, such as Autodesk Maya, Blender, and SketchUp. I'm using the Blender, so each program has its own set of tools and features, but they all work together the same goal of creating a 3D model. When you first start 3D modeling, it can be overwhelming trying to navigate all of the different tools and features, but don't worry, you don't have to know everything right away. Start by familiarizing yourself with the basic tools and work yourself way up from there. One of the most important things to keep in mind when creating a 3D model is concept of vertices, edges, and faces. Vertices are the points that make up the shape of the model. Edges connect the vertices, and faces are the surfaces that make up the model. Understanding how these elements work together is crucial in creating a successful 3D model. Another important concept to understand is that modeling techniques, there are many different ways to create 3D models, such as using polygon modeling, NURBS modeling, and sibling modeling. Each technique has its own advantages and disadvantages, so it's important to choose the right one for your project. Lastly, it's important to keep in mind that 3D modeling is a process. It takes time, patience, and patience to become perfectionist at it. But with a little bit of effort and dedication, anyone can learn how to create beautiful 3D models. Thanks for watching. We hope you find this introduction to 3D modeling helpful. Be sure to check out our other videos and for more tips and tricks how to improve your 3D modeling skills. And please subscribe my channel for more videos on technology and other stuff. Thank you.